Welcome to the Google Classroom training. I am Aryan and welcome to the first session. In the introduction video you might have watched, I am playing the role of a maths teacher and I will be walking you through the Google Classroom. So, in the first session, I'm going to teach you how to create a class for your mathematics students and invite the students to the class. I'm also going to show you the two-way communication between the students and the teacher. So let's get started. Basically, there are three ways by which you can access Google Classroom. The first one is by typing classroom.google.com, which will bring you here. The second way is by going to the Google Apps launch and clicking on the classroom icon that looks like this. And this is here. So now and the third way is by downloading it on your phone. It is available both on Android and iOS. So now we have reached the Google Classroom site. So the first thing you want to do is create a Google Classroom. So you can you see this plus sign here? When you click on it, you have two options. One is to join a class and one is to create a class. Join class is generally used by the students and the create class is mostly used by the teachers. I will be explaining you how the join class works in the little later of the video. Now I'm going to hit create class. So you have to accept these terms and conditions and you will be having several fields that are required to be filled. Since I'm a maths teacher, I'm going to name my class maths class and 9th standard, and these other fields can be filled according to your own requirements, and I'll hit create. You will see something like this. This is how all your Google classes will look like. You can customize these classes according to your own requirements. But can you see these two options here? One is to select a theme, one is to upload a photo. You might want to upload a photo of you and your class, so you can click on upload photo and select it from your computer. The second way is by selecting a theme that is provided by classrooms. Since I'm a maths teacher, I'm going to keep a maths theme. Keep this one, and when you're done selecting the theme, you just click on select class theme. On it's changing and it's done. Can you see these three dashes here? When you click on it, you have several options which I will be explaining you later. So for now, just click on classes. This is where all your other classes are going to be. If you see these three dots here, you can either edit the class, copy and archive the class. So till now we have learned how to create a class and edit a class. So now I'm going to show you how you can invite the students to your class. Basically there are three ways by which the students can join your class. Can you see this class code here? When you click display and full screen, so if the students are sitting in front of you, you can just click on the display button and the students can copy down the code and join the class. The second way is by copying the code and sending it to them via some other form of messenger. The third way by which you can add your students, which I find the most efficient, is by going to the people section and you can either add teachers, you can add students. You might be collaborating with some other teachers, so you can click invite teachers. For now I'm going to add a student, so you need to know their mail. Add this mail and you have to click invite. Now I'm going to show you how the students can join in the three ways. So now we are at the students view. So now I had showed you three ways by which the students can join. Now when the students get the code via an other form of messenger, they have to go to the Google Classroom site by typing classroom.google.com and they can click on the plus sign and click join class. So the teacher might have given the code to them, they can just paste the code here and click join. And the student has joined the class. Now I'm going to show you the second way by which the students can join. This is the second way. The student will get a mail. that you have been invited to the class of maths for class 9. Students will also be getting a similar mail to this. So when the students will get a mail like this, they have to click join, and they have joined the class. So now we are done with creating a class, editing a class, and inviting students to the class. Now I'm going to show you the two-way communication between the students and the teacher. So for example, this is a new class that has been created by the teacher. So a welcome message would be nice. So welcome students, I am your maths teacher. I will be sending notes soon. Now when you have to post it, you have a few options. You can either post it right now, schedule it to be posted, or save it as a draft. When you click schedule, you can select a date, you can select a time according to what you want. But for now, I'm just going to click post, and the message has been posted. Now I'm going to show you how it looks for the student. So now I am in the student's view. It's not much of a difference, but you can see that the teacher has written, welcome students, I'm your math teacher, I'll be sending notes soon. The students can also comment in return. So thank you teacher, thank you teacher. Just I'm going to write this much, and I'm going to click post. So here there is a two-way communication between the teacher and the student. So this is all for the session. In the next session, I'm going to teach you how to create topics, share notes, videos, materials, and also show you what two-way communication between the students and the teacher means. Thank you for watching.